Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and this is a video on what to do with Stipa gigantea or golden oatgrass in spring. Now lots of you have it in the garden. It's a beautiful monumental plant that has become really popular in latest time, but sometimes in spring it can look really tatty. So here's what we're going to do. So it's time to do lots of work in the garden, including cutting back this Stipa gigantea or golden oat grass. So come on in here a bit closer and let's have a look at it. Now this is my favourite of all time grass. It doesn't look great at the moment, it looks really quite tatty, but it looks fantastic in summer with these long tall plumes that catch the sunshine. Really fantastic. And just a hint, it always looks better if you plant it on the corner of a border rather than in a border. No idea why, but it definitely does. So what you'll find in spring is that you're left with something like this. Now in theory, because this is an evergreen grass, we shouldn't have to do anything with it. And I think if you read the books, what they'll say to do is to like prune back where the grass has flowered like this in spring, but this still leaves you with a very messy area, and I think what you really need to do is cut it back, and what I've been doing for the last few years. So in a couple of years back we had a very hard winter and a lot of gardeners were left with a really tatty looking grass, so we were kind of forced to cut it back, and ever since then I've cut it back and it does really well. So what we're going to do now is take a shears to it and cut it into a nice mound. So what you'll need for the job is a shears, nice and sharp, and what you're going to do is to cut it as low as you can. And of course you can use something like this, a strimmer or a hedge cutter, to do the same job. So I'm going to use this one now on the next lot of grass, and let's see how that goes. That's much better, you know, much easier. There isn't that much neater looking. Okay, let's try the same again on this first clump. I'm going to get it much closer to the ground with this electric thing. There we go. That's much neater, isn't it? Now, only another 3 or 4 or 5 more to go. Okay, so that was my video on what to do with golden oak grass or Stipa gigantea in spring. I hope you found it useful. I hope you won't be scared to take the shears or the electric trimmer out to yours, and I hope you'll check back for lots more gardening stuff. Hope the clearing is going well in your garden. Bye for now.